What's up, YouTube? And EXO here. Sorry for the background noise. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna do the 10 type of slime pokers. Yeah. Right now I'm pretty sick. So let's go to the video. The person who just pokes with one finger and annoying poking. The person who's talking like loud and they can't even hear the poking. The second one, the third or fourth one, the person who is recording the poking, but they don't show them poking the slime. So yeah, as you can see, there's this people stuff, and there's been a lot of slime, and yeah, and this is very nice. Yeah, so let's keep on doing it, and see you guys next time. Second one, the person who is like doing it too close. Okay, let's start. Okay, guys. So as you can see, there's a poking thingy here, and my name is Andres. So yeah, look at this. Woo! Look at this poking. It's so nice. Ooh, nice. Whoa. Wait. Hi guys, so yeah, it's right here. Next one, the person who do it far away. Hi guys, as you can see, I'm poking the slime. Yeah, I'm totally poking the slime. I'm poking the slime. Woo! As you can see, like, there's a lot of poking here. There's been a lot of happening here. Oh, so nice. Woo! Yeah. Okay, second one. No, sixth one. The person who like pokes hard. The person who does it hard, like a hard poking. So hey guys, here we are. Look at this nice poking, so nice. So nice. It's very nice poking. Ow. When I poke, my fingers hurt. Duh. Because you're poking it too hard. Oh man. So nice here. Whoa, look at that slime. Oh man. It's like a pet slime. Oh man. Hey guys, Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, like and subscribe. And if you're new here, hi guys, welcome. If you're like watching again, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. And I'll give you a description down below about what was I gonna say? Yeah, I won't do nothing. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye. If you want more videos, I hope we get 5 likes. 5 or less or more, whatever. What else I was gonna say? If you want like a slime pet please, slime pet please, yeah, like and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.